Yeah, get me that, Liam. Thank you. Oh, you squeeze it.
It was perfectly square too.
And yours is?
The baby one.
Baby one. Just one? Let's go.
Madeline. Madeline.
Which one do you want? The butter one. Uh-oh. The butter. Sarap, kain tayo. Real deep chocolate latte, you like that? Yeah? Or no, you don't like? Para maingat ka lang. You're good? Hot coffee? Ano sa'yo, Daddy? Brewing coffee?
Yung brewing coffee lang na hot. Palette, what do you buy?
Creed.
Ikat-ikat.
Welcome to Naminara!
Okay. And welcome to Nami Island. So isa sa mga reasons ko bakit kami nag-rent ng
Squirrel hunting.
Squirrel.
marami kami nakitang squirrel kanina. So isa sa mga reasons kung bakit nag-hire kami ng car is para magkaroon kami ng flexibility sa time kasi yung nag-tour kami last time ilang 1 hour lang, no?
1 hour lang, tapos parang isang stretch lakad, 30 minutes,
So
pabalik
hindi
30
namin
minutes.
masyado na-enjoy yung Nami Islands.
Bitin.
So ngayong fall season, yan, enjoy namin. Kaya yon, kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng flexibility ng konti sa time, although medyo
Rent your own car.
hindi ganun ka budget friendly, tama ba? Or sige, may mga mapipili.
Kung group kayo,
Pwede
okay
naman
na rin
siguro.
siya. Oo, kasi yun, kinuha naman ni Daddy is hybrid car.
Kia K5.
So medyo matipid sa gasolina, tapos naka 50 off yon. So, naka 50 off yon.
Oh, wow!
It was.
Yes.
Hanap pala ng mga deals.
Deals,
lang.
deals lang. So advance booking, yun ang pinakamaganda para maka-maximize mo yung money. Okay? So, yan, samahan niyo ulit kami. Roller coaster.
Red dun, no?
Nangingi siya ng food, ano?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Are those the descendants of the velociraptors that got their arms cut off?
Yung mata.
Descendants of the Velociraptor.
Yung mata kasi, no?